Lesson 7. Hopes and Desires. Basic Patterns. I hope we win the tournament this year. I hope so too. What do you want for Christmas this year? I wish it would stop raining. I was thinking about going to that new place. I want to be a doctor. I trust that all will be well. I believe things will get better. I could really use a drink right now. I hope she feels better. Their only desire is for a new home. He's the best hope for the team. I keep hoping that things will get better. I have to have that car. I need to be alone. Dialogue 1. I hope we win the tournament this year.
I hope so too. We've been practicing hard.
Yes, we have, and there are only 3 games left in the season.
That means 3 games left until the tournament.
Who do you think we will play against?
In the tournament?
Yes.
I don't know. Probably the Badgers. They are also doing well this year.
Maybe, but they're not as good as us. Dialogue 2.
What do you want for Christmas this year, Danny?
A puppy.
Why do you want a puppy?
Because, Mommy, they are nice to play with.
Well, I hope you know that it's a big responsibility.
Yes, I do.
You would have to help take care of it.
I know, Mommy. I would help.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Dialogue 3.
I wish it would stop raining.
Why is that?
So we could go out and play some ball.
Yeah, I don't want to stay inside all day either.
It doesn't look good, though.
You're right. I don't think this rain will let up.
Maybe we can rent a movie.
Okay, if the rain doesn't stop soon, we should get a movie. Dialogue 4.
I could really use some pickles right now.
It's 3 in the morning.
I'm not saying you have to get them.
What are you saying?
I'm just saying I crave them, that's all. I'm pregnant, you know?
So, you mean the baby wants pickles, not you?
Me, the baby, same thing.
Yeah, I suppose it is. Dialogue 5.
Anyone up for a drink?
Sure, I could use a drink.
Me too. I really want a beer.
Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about going to that new place.
The one next to the post office?
Yeah, I hear it's pretty cheap.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Sounds good. After you.
Substitution drills. 1. I hope we win the tournament this year. I hope we win the match this year. I hope we win the game this year. I hope we win the championship this year. 2. We've been practicing hard. We've been working hard. We've been making an effort. We've been improving. 3. Who do you think we will play against? Who do you think we will compete against? Who do you think we will go against? Who do you think we will contend against? 4. What do you want for Christmas this year, Danny? What would you like for Christmas this year, Danny? What are you getting for Christmas this year, Danny? What do you expect for Christmas this year, Danny? 5. Well, I hope you know that it's a big responsibility. Well, I hope you know that it's a big challenge. Well, I hope you know that it's a big demand. Well, I hope you know that it's a big burden. 6. You would have to help take care of it. You would have to help raise it. You would have to help look after it. You would have to help care for it. 7. I wish it would stop raining. I hope it would stop raining. I would like for it to stop raining. I want it to stop raining. 8. I don't think this rain will let up. I don't think this rain will ease up. I don't think this rain will stop. I don't think this rain will cease. 9. I could really use some pickles right now. I really want some pickles right now. I would like some pickles right now. I need some pickles right now. 10. I'm not saying you have to get them. I'm not saying you have to retrieve them. I'm not saying you have to fetch them. I'm not saying you have to pick them up. 11. I'm just saying I crave them, that's all. I'm just saying I hunger for them, that's all. I'm just saying I desire them, that's all. I'm just saying I want them, that's all. 12. So, you mean the baby wants pickles? So, you mean the child wants pickles? So, you mean the fetus wants pickles? So, you mean the infant wants pickles? 13. So, we could go out and play some ball. So we could go out and go for a walk. So we could go out and go swimming. So we could go out and have some dinner. 14. Anyone up for a drink? Anyone want a drink? Anyone interested in a drink? Anyone ready for a drink? 15. Yeah, I hear it's pretty cheap. Yeah, I hear it's pretty inexpensive. Yeah, I hear it's pretty affordable. Yeah, I hear it's pretty reasonably priced. Monologue. Christmas is a very popular holiday in America. Christmas has religious roots, and for many Americans, it is still associated with the birth of Christ. Many other Americans, though, pay little attention to the religious origins of Christmas. Instead, Christmas is often simply a time for gift-giving and visiting family. The atmosphere in American communities is noticeably different during the Christmas season, which begins at the end of November. Buildings are decorated with lights, and many homes contain Christmas trees. Much time is put into picking out gifts for friends and relatives. People normally take this time to go on vacation. It is often the only time in the year that some families come together to visit each other. Lesson 8. Delights and Surprises.